And welcome to my YouTube channel YO22 Excel Chapter 4 Assessment Advertising. So project description is the marketing manager painted and he is created to the spreadsheet of the first 6 months of advertising expenses and display the data, create a few charts figure easier to view and presentation more visually appealing. So if you want to complete MylTLab courses is Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access. We can do online courses is accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So we move to the question number 1. So question number 1 is start Excel, download and open the file name Excel Chapter 4 Assessment Advertising. Grader has automatically added your last name to the file name and save the file to location where you are storing your file. So go to the Excel worksheets. I have already downloaded the Excel Chapter 4 Assessment Advertising. So question number 1 is complete and we move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is to graphically display the expenses total for a 6 month, you will create a line chart and then move the charts to a chart sheet and on the advertising cost worksheet and create a line chart of the data for the total spends on the advertising each month from the January through June. The primary horizontally axis should be the month of the year and the vertical axis should be the total spent on the advertising each month. On the advertising cost worksheet, so go to the advertising cost worksheets and create a line charts of the data for the total spent on advertising each month for the January through June. The primary horizontally axis should be the month of the years and the vertical value axis should be the total spent on the advertising each month. So create the line chart of the data to total spends advertising. So select the A4 to G11. So select the range and create the line charts spent on the advertising each of month from the January through um, June's. The primary horizontally axis month of the year and vertical value axis show total spend on the advertising each month. So create the line charts and go to the insert tabs and go to the charts groups, click the recommended charts and click the all charts and click the line charts to create the second line charts and click OK. So question number 2 is complete. We move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is to improve the appearance of the charts, you will add it to descriptive chart title and adjust the axis minimum and change the chart title of the line charts total advertising expenses per month and change the vertical axis minimum 20,000 26,000 and apply the chart style to 12 and change the chart title to line charts to total advertising expenses per month. So copy the title and go to the Excel worksheets and paste the title. So chart the title is total advertising expenses per month and change the vertical axis minimum to 26,000. So copy the value and vertical axis minimum. So select the vertical value axis, right clicks and click the format axis and minimum. So minimum and press enter. And next is Apply the chart style 12. So apply the chart style 12. So go to the chart design tabs and chart style 12 and click OK. Chart style 12. So question number 3 is complete, and we move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is move the line chart to chart sheets and name the sheet is advertising monthly total. So move the line charts to chart sheets and name the sheet to the advertising monthly total. So copy the sheet name and paste the sheet name, right clicks and click the move charts, and new sheet name is to advertising monthly total and click OK. So question number 4 is complete. We move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is question number. Next you will create and modify a pie charts to display the and their 6-month total on the advertising cost worksheets. Create the 3D pie charts of the amenities and their 6-month total in the cell A62 B22 and move the chart so top left corner of the chart is an C14. Resize the chart so the bottom right corner is in cell H29 on the advertising cost worksheets. So go to the advertising cost worksheets and create the 3D pie charts of the amenities and their 6-month total in the cell range A62 B22. So copy the range and go to the Excel worksheets and paste the range, press enter. So select the range as A62 B22 and create the 3D pie charts and their 6-month total in a cell range A62 B22. So select the range A62 B22 and create the 3D pie charts. So go to the insert tabs and go to the chart groups and click the recommended charts and click the all charts and create the 3D pie charts. Click the pie charts and the 3D pie charts and click OK. So insert the 3D pie charts, and next is move the chart so the top left corner of the chart is in C14. So move the charts in C14, move and drag the charts in cell C14. Cell C14, move and drag the chart in cell C14. And next is resize the chart so the bottom right corner in cell H29. So move and drag the charts H29. So move the chart in H29. So question number 5 is complete, and we move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is on the advertising cost worksheet, added the chart title of the 3D pie chart to semi-annual advertising cost and apply the chart style to it. On the advertising cost worksheets, so go to the advertising cost worksheet and added the chart title of the 3D pie charts to semi-annual advertising cost. So copy the chart title and paste the chart title in 3D pie charts. So copy the chart title and paste the chart title. Next is apply the chart style 8 and apply the chart style 8. So go to the chart design tabs and click the chart style to chart style 8, 7 and chart style 8. So question number 6 is complete. Move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is change the color of the pie charts to colorful plate 3. So change the color of the chart to colorful plate 3. So change the color of the pie charts to colorful plate 3. So select the charts and go to the chart design tabs and click the color to colorful plate 2. So colorful plate 2, colorful plate 2. So question number 7 is complete and we move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is add a data to colors as the data label to the 3D pie charts. Include the category name and percentage in the data label and explore the segment of the charts that was allocated the smallest amount of the advertising fund and exercise facility to 25%. So add the data label in 3D pie charts. So add the data labels, add the data labels and charts include the category name and percentage data label. So add the category name and percentage, click the more options. So click the more option and category name and percentage. So select the category name and percentage, category name and percentage in the data label and explore the segments of the charts that was allocated the smallest amount of the advertising fund exercise to the facility 25%. So explore the segment. So explore the segment select the segment select the segments of the charts was allocated the smallest amount advertising fund exercise facility. So exercise facility, family event and point SP and explore the exercise facility. So select the exercise facility and the explore the 25%. So explosion is 25% and press enters. So question number 8 is complete. Question number 8 is complete. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete MylTLab courses is Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access. We can do online courses is accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing, and other courses. So I will guarantee you are 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. If you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email.